Hello and welcome to Lead the Way, Mastering Leadership and Team Building. My name is Alex Gonzalez. I'm a training, learning, and organizational development professional with over 30 years of experience helping individuals and organizations grow, lead, and prosper. If you're here to improve your leadership skills, elevate your team, or transform your workplace culture, well, then you're in the right place. I'm excited to walk this journey with you. Let's start with why this course matters. Leadership is the engine that drives progress. Without it, even the most talented teams lose direction. Teams? Yes, teams. They are the fuel that sustain that progress. When people are aligned, connected, and empowered, amazing things happen. Today's world is fast paced, unpredictable, and very often overwhelming. More than ever, we need leaders who don't just manage, but inspire. Leaders who can build teams that are resilient, motivated, and ready to rise to any challenge.